Hey there, happy campers. It's Melissa with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today I'm going to be giving you an inside and outside look of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 25MLE. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you're made aware of all our future videos. Now let's get started. Now right here we have an early season model. We are filming this in August of 2024, so some of its key features may change, but as of right now, this is what we have on our lot. Checking out the outside, we have this massive awning that stretches the entirety of our camper pretty much, so it looks really nice and has an LED strip across the whole way. And then also we have our outdoor speaker system here so that you can have all the kinds of things you need to be able to relax and enjoy your time at the campground. But there is one other thing I want to show you here. This is also fully equipped with an outdoor kitchen. You have your griddle here that you can pull out, as well as a nice fridge for your convenience as well. Now let's check out our storage. Here in your pass-through storage, you have a nice, easy to clean flooring that is super sleek and easy to store everything you need. Lots of space in here. On the side over by me, we actually even have some cable hookups and plugs here, so you can actually even stay connected, maybe watch the big game while you're on your campground. And then we have an LED strip here, so it stays lit if you need to grab anything at nighttime. And then of course on that side there we have our convenience bay so that you can get easily connected at your campsite. Now let's go ahead and head inside. Right when you walk in, you'll notice your control panel here that has everything you need to get yourself fully set up, as well as this nice thin shade right here so that you're able to kind of have a little more privacy in your camper, maybe make it a little darker when you're trying to sleep. It's super convenient. And then down below, we have some shoe storage as well, so that when you get in your camper, it's easy to just take off those shoes and relax. Now let's check out more of our living space. Right as you walk in a little bit further, you have some nice storage here. Right on this side, you have a little hutch. This would be great maybe as like a catch-all to put all the little storage things you need, maybe put your mail, or maybe even make a charging station here. There's lots of options you have for this space. And then we have a nice pantry here, lots of room for all your food and snacks, everything you need at the campground. Now let's check out our living space. In your living space, you have this really nice, comfortable couch. It is super aesthetically pleasing. We love the color of it. And of course, in the middle, you have some added features. You got your cup holders. It has a heated seat, massage seat setting, and a light. And my favorite little part here, a nice little charging port for you so that you can stay connected, charge everything you need. Now let's check out more of our living space. Right here we have our dinette, which is super cozy and comfortable. There is lots of space here for your family to eat and enjoy together. And we even have this nice window here, so if you want to just watch the kiddos outside, there is a great view to be able to see everything there. Up above we have our nice TV here, and right inside we have access to our speaker system, which is super convenient right there, and some extra storage on the right over there. And down below we have even more storage with these drawers here. Lots of space for you to keep everything you need. And one of my favorite features that they've added is this nice sleek little light system we have underneath to add a little extra ambiance. Now let's go ahead and check out our kitchen. Starting off in our kitchen, we have this nice fridge and freezer. It is nice and spacious for all the food that you need for your trip. And of course, tons of extra space in the freezer as well. Now this is actually connected into the same slide as your couch, so it is easy access there right next to your kitchen. Now let's check out the rest of it. Our kitchen is fully equipped currently with Furrion appliances, and as we said that some of this stuff may change over time, but right now with this early model that we have, it has Furrion appliances. Starting off here, we have our 3-burner stovetop with splash guard, super convenient and tons of space to cook some big meals with the family. Moving over here to our sink, it is super spacious and it even has these removable pieces. This is accessible as a cutting board as well, but there is tons of space in that sink, a lot of room for every dish that you need to wash on your trip. And of course we have loads of storage in this kitchen. That is one of my favorite parts. We have all this storage up above for all your dishes and everything. Down below here for all cleaning supplies, everything you'd need to keep your camper organized and fresh. And then tons and tons of drawers all around here as well. So lots of room for silverware and everything else you need to keep. And of course, lastly, we have this nice microwave here. Again, a Furrion appliance. We have lots of countertop space. This is just overall a wonderful, great kitchen. Now, one thing I don't want to forget, a lot of you are asking about where the chargers are and where those are accessible in your camper. These ones in the kitchen are actually really conveniently placed right underneath the cabinet here. We have a traditional outlet as well as a USB-C. Now let's check out our bathroom. This bathroom is fully equipped with everything you're gonna need to stay comfortable on your trip. Starting off here with some storage, we have this nice medicine cabinet storage to keep everything you need on your trip, as well as down below, we have these nice charging ports so that you're able to connect hair tools or maybe razors, whatever you need, and tons of countertop space for your toothbrushes, all other items. Tons of storage down below with these drawers, and even right below the sink here, there's enough room for a trash can as well. So it's super easy to be able to keep everything organized in your bathroom. And we have our step to flush toilet, and above that we have a nice towel rack so you can hang up a towel, maybe a decorative one, to add a little ambiance to your space. Stepping into our shower, this is so spacious. We love to see a shower that has a ton of wiggle room so you're not banging on the walls and struggling to move around and clean yourself up. We have a side-mounted shower head here that's easily accessible for keeping those pups or those kiddos clean. We even have a skylight that helps with those of us that are taller. I'm not so blessed, but those of us who are, you are able to have enough room in this camper to be able to shower comfortably. Now we have a lot of shelving here, so there's room for everything you need to store in your shower. A nice glass door and a lip at the bottom so that there's no spillage. Any messes, anything that could happen, it is gonna stay in the shower for you. Now let's go ahead and check out our bedroom. Right when you walk into your bedroom, you'll notice this massive king-sized bed. It is super comfortable and cozy. And on each side of that bed, you'll have a nice side table to be able to fit maybe all your electronics or a CPAP machine. And of course, you have the outlets to stay connected for those things. You have traditional and USB-C. And on each side table, you have a drawer, so there's some extra storage for all your nighttime needs. And we have this beautiful window in the back. It is a nice front cap window, so you can have a little bit of a view at nighttime. And looking at all of our storage around this whole bedroom, we have on each side a storage that has a hanging rack and a removable shelf, so you're able to either have long hanging clothes or shelving if you'd prefer. And then we have two up above here, as well as two below the bed as well. Now we have some more storage in this room I want to show you. Right across from your bed, you have a nice massive closet here to be able to store everything you need. There's a hanging rack up there so you can store all your coats, t-shirts, everything you need for that camping trip, as well as two massive drawers here to be able to store all other needs. We love how much storage this space has for you to be able to have a long camping trip. If you're interested in this camper or any of the others on the Keystone Cougar line, give us a call, shoot us a text, or go to cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.